Hello and welcome to SPSS 1, starting from part S16. Well, I forgot to mention that, hopefully you did it anyway, you should save this at some point. So if you save the data file, I've already given it a name, so you could just save it as that. So you call it Iridina1, for example. And SAV is the data format for SPSS file. So if you happen to be doing some coursework, dissertation, and you're looking for data on the net, if you see it in the SAV format, then download that one if you're working in SPSS, because it will save you having to change it from Excel. Okay, so now we're ready. You can just do some simple data analysis. So all you need to do is to go to Analyze and pull up Analyze, Descriptive Statistics. There are millions and millions of things you can do, but this one's very powerful. Just descriptive statistics, explore. That brings up this dialog box, which is good to get used to. And age and income. So we're going to put these into the top box. These are the dependent variables. And language is going to put into the factor list. So what that means is going to factors means it's the thing it's going to be used to group the cases, and then it's going to look at, once you've grouped it, it's going to give you some stats on age and income within those groups. Check that here it says both, mean you're going to get some statistics and some charts, and then you can control exactly what you get, but I'd suggest you just try checking the plots one. I think SPSS was originally written in like the 70s or 80s or something. It has this stem and leaf thing, which is really archaic. You can have a look at it if you may. I don't find it really useful. Histogram is much more useful. May as well get the box plots as well if you know what those are. You don't need this for now. So continue with that, and continue with this. And now you want the output window, and it's nowhere to be seen. So it's really odd that that happens. Okay, there it is. It's underneath all my other windows. Oh. It's taking some time to come out. That's very slow. It's been network problems. Okay, here you go. So here's the results. Great. So as it points out at the bottom of this page, just by doing that one analysis command, you have done everything that was previously done in many, many steps in Excel. You can now answer all those questions 1 to 7. Everything is there. You've got detailed tables. Imagine just to get the mean in Excel, you have to type in a formula. And here it's giving you the mean for all 3 groups, so there's no need to sort and select cases. So it's giving you the mean income, it's giving you the median income. It doesn't give you the mode because the mode is not very useful. So you can easily do the comparisons. So looking at the mean incomes, looks like within the sample that RJETs are slightly better off than the Lengets, and then the Eerdens, again, median 61. The median, the RJETs are also better off. So the same order of incomes. You can look at other things as well, like the maximum and minimum income. It gives you the. You can look at the spread between them because it's giving you the range. It's giving you the interquartile range, where the middle 50% are. So according to all of those, there's less variation among the Eerdens. It's giving you standard deviation and the variance automatically. It's giving you these other things like the skewness and the kurtosis, which we'll cover later on. So the same thing for, so that was age, and the same thing for income. I thought that was odd because I thought the Lengets are the best off group. Yeah, so they are best off group. Yeah. So all the comparisons that you did before in Excel very painstakingly are just done instantly with this. And there's histograms, which in histograms are a complete pain in Excel. Very, very easy in SPSS. So still in the RJETs, age slightly skewed towards the right, possibly. A bit more even in the Lengets. And slightly younger Earden, a lot more youth among the Earden, and skewed toward, positively skewed there. Income, there's a box plot of language. If you've not seen box plots before, it's a kind of an ordinal type plot where it puts a big line there for the median. That's the median language. And then the interquartile range, that's the middle 50% here. So the interquartile range is between that top quartile and that bottom quartile. So the blue box shows you how spread out the middle 50% are. And then this is like 1.5 box lengths further to those whiskers. And anything that's outside the whiskers is defined as like an outlier. That's a very unusual case, like case 25. So if you go back to the data, you can actually see in row 25, that'll be that household up there. And there's the histograms for income among the three groups. So distribution of income, and the box plot for income. So here it clearly shows that the Lenga are the wealthier group compared to the other two, but much more inequality and spread among that group. So at a glance, you can compare the shape of the distribution, the spread and the levels of incomes and ages. Age, not a lot of difference, a bit more variation in the RJETs. It tends to be a bit younger. So a massive information there, and let's get the instructions back. All of that stuff just done with that one single command. So slight downside of SPSS, you have to fiddle around to get the data in there in nice form compared to Excel. But once it's in there, just clicks and you can do amazing amounts of stuff with far less effort, no entering it in formulas. So I think it will cut down a lot of the work and help you to produce better results if you can get used to the program. Okay, so for now, thanks for watching.